So the tungsten sharpener, it's really good to have, especially when you're in a tight spot. You know, you don't have to come down or have someone come down and go all the way to a tool room. Keep it on you at all times.
Clear dust cover lens, you can still see the point on your tungsten. It helps protect debris, flying debris from your eyes and everything.
The dust on the tungsten is actually radioactive, and so you're breathing in that dust. Over time, it's going to affect your health. But with these, it has a little cover over it. That cuts down the dust a lot.
Without this tungsten sharpener, the Scottsman tungsten sharpener, you'd either have to use a bench grinder. If you ain't got one of those, you got to use a hand grinder. You got to hold this thing with one hand, and you're holding your tungsten with the other hand, trying to sharpen it, and just ask for something to happen.
The hole on the end where you stick your tungsten in, it's not an exact diameter of what the tungsten would be. Say if you got a knot on the end of your tungsten or something, it's not going to stick inside any other tungsten grinder except for Scottsman. Out in my little shop, whatnot, you know, just didn't have anybody to show me the ropes on anything, you know, so I watched a lot of videos on YouTube and all, and hence with doing that, you know, not having anybody to show you, they wasn't showing you what you was doing wrong. So having, you know, somebody like Trey and all being able to, you know, show you what you're doing wrong from the get-go, so that way you don't develop any bad habits.
The Pipe Welders Academy is it's great for the community. It's great for people who have limited welding experience or no welding experience, or guys that are coming from, let's say, like a structural trade or something like that want to learn pipe. It's really good for them. I think we're doing a good thing here.
The instructors really do pay attention. They come into your booth, watch what you're doing, and even if you're doing good, they do have a way to help improve you even further. It's been very beneficial. So I actually just recently heard about this, and I'm really excited about it. I was told that it had pretty much almost every weld test there is in there, and there's a little job list in there for contacts, which will be very helpful, especially once I graduate the program.
You know, it's got almost every weld test you're going to take for a lot of contractors out there, as far as pipe size, you know, thickness, fit up, how to prep it, you know, different little tips and tricks.
Knowing what to set my heat on, you know, knowing what to put my gap on, just different, like walking the cup techniques, lay wire techniques. It would have really helped out and all. Just giving me some good reference points and everything.
I'm excited to get one. Definitely will be.